hypertensive drug. It is an ACE inhibitor. Angiotensin is a vasoconstrictor. So when you stop angiotensin, there will be occurring vasodilation that will decrease your venous return. Okay, so captopril can't be the answer. Phenoxybenzamine. Phenoxybenzamine was a permanent alpha antagonist, I guess. So phenoxybenzamine was an alpha antagonist. When you antagonize your alpha, again there will be vasoconstriction, nothing. Okay, low dose dopamine. Dopamine stimulate, first of all, it will stimulate D1 receptors, then beta receptor, then alpha receptor. On high dose, it will stimulate alpha. So here there is low dose. So there will be beta stimulation only, or dopamine stimulation. Max to max can go to beta. So beta stimulation will again cause vasodilation. That can be the answer. Isoproterenol. Isoproterenol also stimulates beta receptor. It doesn't. It is a selective, highly selective beta. Okay, isoproterenol. So again beta, you're again vasodilating. Only one option is vasoconstricting. What? Norepinephrine. So that's why it's an answer. This is called a PVL. This is again a photo from first aid. First of all of you have to see the black curve, black color curve. Just the black. Forget there exists green or red or blue. Just black curve. Okay. Now basic thing to know is here there is increase in pressure, but no change in volume. That is isovolumetric contraction. Then there is decrease in volume. But it always goes like this, right? Not like this. Cycle, reverse cycle. I mean anti-clockwise. So there occurs a decrease in volume and pressure also changes. So there something would have opened. What would have opened? Tricuspid, or not tricuspid, but the semilunar valves would have opened. So that this is called the contraction. This is called the systole. Entire thing. Aortic valve opens, aortic valve closes, right? Here aortic valve closes. Now there will occur decrease in pressure without change in volume. This is called isovolumetric relaxation. 3 number is called isovolumetric relaxation. Isovolumetric because volume doesn't change. Okay. Here mitral valve opens and there is a filling of ventricle, but pressure is not increasing. Why? Because there is a passive filling. Pressure doesn't increase much, except the mitral valve is closed because pressure is equalized whenever the valve is open, right? At this point it closes and see then sudden there is a shoot of pressure. Till mitral valve opens, there is nothing. Okay, this is the basic PV curve. Here this point where aortic valve is opening, whenever it increases, there is always an increase in afterload. This is rule. I mean, this is a hack, not some concept. Just know that whenever this increases, irrespective of rest of the curve, whenever this thing is increasing, there is always increase in afterload. Why? Because aortic valve is taking too long, too much pressure to open. And this occurs classically in aortic stenosis. Because aortic valve takes too much to open, the pressure builds up. Somewhere here the aortic valve opens. That is means afterload. Aortic valves also contributes to afterload, right? Heart has to pump to aortic valve. Now this point where the mitral valve closes, when it goes this side, whenever there is increase in volume, it means there is an increase in preload basically. That's it. Whenever there is no change in pressure but increase in volume, this point. Whenever this point goes in this direction, x-axis, there is increase in preload, and whenever this point goes up in y-axis, there is increase in afterload. These are the two things you should understand. Then this entire width of entire curve is called stroke volume, right? Of course, stroke volume, because here heart was empty. Here heart is filled. And here it has pushed out the blood. So ultimately we are dealing with stroke volume. Some blood is coming, some blood is going.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.